फर्नीचर हमारे पास आ रहे हैं। सो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में दिया गया है कि स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विद कैश 1 लाख रुपीज। ओके, 1 लाख रुपए से हमने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, तो हम पैसे देकर एज ए कैश आप कैपिटल ले रहे हैं। कैश मतलब आप कैश दे रहे हो टू द बिजनेस और आपको कैपिटल मिल रहा है 1 लाख रुपया। लाइक फॉर सपोज आई कैन से दैट ओके, स्टार्टेड बिजनेस कैश रुपया, कैश मुझसे ले रहे हैं, कैश मुझे मिल रहा है, ठीक है। अगर एज अ फर्म कैश मुझे मिल रहा है और कैपिटल मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, यही है गेस। फॉर कंपनी को स्टार्ट करने की कैपिटल तो चाहिए ऐसा। इट गोज टू क्रेडिट, yeah, it goes to credit, whereas cash will be debited, will be in debit, probably debit line, debit column, and 1 lakh rupee to capital account will be on credit side. Then the second question was that purchased furniture for cash 12,000. Now हमने फर्नीचर खरीदा है, that is an expense which comes under liabilities, right? Am I wrong? And that is assets. Pardon me? That comes under assets, which will be holded in debits. So, I will mention in my journal entry as furniture account DR, which means debited, to cash account. इसमें लिखा हुआ है, it is given that 12,000 rupees I have given cash for purchasing that furniture. That's the main thing we have to observe. Rupees 12,000, pardon me, 12,000 will be debited for furniture and will be credited with cash to cash. So I will play like rupees 12,000 be debited and rupees 12,000 will be credited. Then the third problem given is that purchased good on credit from Suresh 25,000. So from the books of Mr. Ramesh, we have purchased some goods on credit from Mr. Suresh of 25,000, right? So that means I'm purchasing goods of 25,000 on the basis of a credit from Suresh. From Suresh, right? Yeah. So Suresh is paying for that. Suresh is paying for that credit after this. But in future, we have to give him money, right? So that's why on debit side, we will get goods. But on credit side, Suresh will pay up for our goods. Okay? So that will be written as goods purchase. We have to purchase, right? Purchase account debited to Suresh account. On debit side, we will implement 25,000 rupees. And also on credit side, we will implement 25,000 rupees. Now, right on the fourth condition, it is given that sold goods for cash of 18,000 rupees. Okay, my firm, which is, for example, suppose, I'm Mr. Ramesh. I have sold goods on behalf cash of 18,000 rupees. I sold goods of 18,000 rupees so that I got the cash of 18,000 rupees, right? That's the system how we can finance works, right? That's how the accounts work. That's how the finance works. So here 18,000 on what I get cash, and what the customer they get goods, right? That means I can write it here as Cash account. What I'm getting? Cash. What I'm getting? Cash. Cash account debited. I've implemented DR to sales account. What are we doing in this business? We are selling it. So prominently, professionally, we have to write it as to sales account. To sales account. To sales account. On cash account, we sold for 18,000 rupees, and which was sold for 18,000 rupees only. It's a general entry. Now, for the fifth condition, it is given that when paid rent of 3,000 rupees. So, in order to pay rent for my firm of 3,000 rupees, on my behalf, I have to pay, right? That means I need to pay. What am I getting? Rent. What I'm giving? Rent. What I'm giving? Rent as a cash. It is not mentioned here, this is the question, but suppose I am giving cash of 3,000 rupees and I am getting rent. I'm the rent. Like for a month, I'm getting the property as a rent. That's the main problem and the fifth problem. So what am I getting? Rent. And what I am paying? Cash of 3,000 rupees. So in accounting journal, you can write it as rent account to cash account. Right? Yeah. Debit rupee 3,000 and rupee 3,000 only. Now, this is a basic way to provide a journal entry for an organization. Hope you understand this problem. Okay? Thanks. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for this channel. Thank you very much.